Modeling and simulation in the future is going to change what we've seen in the past.
Create an environment for perfect practice.
You're able to do things in virtual worlds that you cannot do in real world.
You're putting people in these virtual constructive environments that can be used to interact with other humans.
We would all like to be able to foretell the future, but simulation allows us to create environments in virtually every industry that take what we know and then throw unknowns into that mix to help us understand how whatever we're trying to do, we can do better.
VMASC stands for the Virginia Modeling Analysis and Simulation Center. We're the Enterprise Research Center for Old Dominion University for modeling and simulation. We have what's known as the VMASC Industry Association.
We have been able to understand the needs of customers better than anybody else.
The technology provides the opportunity to make it easier to produce and to implement for the companies who take advantage of it.
Modeling and simulation has really been in the domain of the defense.
We recognize that modeling simulation can be applied in just about every area.
It has a positive effect in corporate, industry, education, and within the government.
We started to branch out into the Homeland Security, transportation, and medical areas.
It's an upfront investment for a long-term gain.
It shows the customer that we've gone that little extra step to visualize the product.
This has the ability to model out an entire network of roads, railroads, airports, and other facilities, both in a region or in an entire country.
What we want to do is have people practice in an environment where the parameters are set and they're monitored, and we can give instant feedback, whether that's delivering a baby or trying to plan workflow because you're putting a new piece of equipment in the OR. This is an effective educational strategy.
Some things only happen one time, but if you were to go back and recreate it, you can pass on that knowledge.
The cost will therefore go down. The level of fidelity of the information that's being provided and the technology that's being used to share that information will increase.
It is inevitable that every organization will have its own little wrinkle.
Your average business is going to want to leverage these types of tools and capabilities, whether it be defense or civil engineering or transportation.
Before you build anything, you model it. And before anything is enhanced, you simulate it.